Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments. All the clips shared in today's video are for educational purposes, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching them. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Driving on snowy and slippery road is a challenge in itself. But this truck driver decided to spice things up by going completely the wrong way. Check this one out. This cyclist caught a lot of driving fails, and I really mean a lot of them. Drivers on their phones texting and driving, parking in bike lanes, cutting others off without looking at all, and many more. The purpose of these clips is to make you think about how bad this type of road behavior actually is. Try to learn as much as possible from these mistakes.
That's better. Put it in your holder. Oh yeah. What are you doing? You shouldn't have gone. If it's not clear, then don't go. You're out there in the middle. If it's not clear, if the road isn't clear, don't go.
I didn't. I was already up there.
In the middle of the intersection?
Yes.
It's pretty simple. If there's not room on the other side, don't go.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You were out here in the middle of the intersection when your light turned red and mine turned green. You should read the traffic code.
This rude driver completely ignored the yield sign, and he didn't bother looking at all when it comes to the traffic. This cutoff resulted in a road rage, and something even worse came out of it.
The f are you doing? You mirror! I'm right here! You didn't see me? Stupid ass.
I think you have to leave a space. All the time you have to leave a space.
Yep, on the phone.
Driver carelessly reversed onto the road and blocked the oncoming traffic from moving on. Needless to say, a great driving move.
Where the f are you going? What the f? Driving the wrong way down the road? Stolen car? Temporary plate A5916469. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're driving the wrong way down the road? You're driving the wrong way down the road?
I just realized that.
Well, pay attention to signs.
Right, but if you bang on my car, it's gonna,
I'm trying to keep everyone safe, man.
I realized that I did an idiot move.
So you just kept going? You should turn around and fix your mistake, yo.
Alright.
Makes me think you're like in a stolen car. Alright, just pay attention, man. Oh my God. Can we not walk in the bike lane, please? Can we pay attention? Thank you.
Driver carelessly reversed onto the road and blocked the oncoming traffic from moving on. Needless to say, a great driving move.
You're gonna be... Oh my God. Great driving! looks really safe. What, there's not enough scooters? Oh!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with.
You didn't hit your head, did you? Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna stand this up. For sure.
Thank you guys.
All right, of course. Oh my God. You're going the wrong way, dumb. Supposed to ride in the street. You've got multiple. Good job stopping in a bike lane. Very good. Surprise, surprise. Bike lanes are not for cars. Look at this beautiful thing. I didn't know bicycles came with 4 wheels. There's a whole area in there you could stop. Nope, gotta block the bike lane because you're a jerk.
2 days later.
Nope, nope, no. You stupid mother. Does it say walk? Pretty sure it doesn't. Yep, bike lane's a perfect place to park. Move your ass. Watch your door. Hello. Doesn't look.
This situation happened at the exact same location for several days straight. If you put it like that, makes you wonder that certain drivers would rather pay a ticket for improper parking rather than fix their way of driving. The camera stopped going through this area after a few days. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Core on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something from this one. After all, it will make us happy if you realized that some of these moves are wrong and that you won't repeat them. Make sure to leave a like if you support this type of content. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next one, drive safe and be patient.